Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Welcome to the September 2022 Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone flight video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lamphong station to the shiny new Bang Sue station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Sue station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground-level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground-level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town. In train news this month, Hua Hin today brings us what we've been waiting for all this time. A government spokesman says the line from Bangkok to Hua Hin will open later this year and will take only 2.5 hours compared to the scheduled 4-hour run, which never matches actual reality. He shares more details on other new lines around the country, so be sure to check out the article. What do you think about his prediction? Remember that not everything has to be 100% complete to get a train from Bangkok into our new station and back up again. Let me know in the comments. Next, Bang Sue Grand Station gives us a video tour of some modern first and second class carriages in a special express train, which include features like LCD announcement screens, comfortable seats, individual lighting, and power plugs. And the toilet is light years ahead of the current trains. Heaven is Hua Hin also brings us news that the State Railway of Thailand has received 17 train carriages donated by Japan. They're being converted to Thailand's 1-meter rail gauge and tested on tracks within Bangkok. The first of the carriages should go into operation to Ayutthaya soon. The Japanese TV station NHK World follows up with a video story showing that train getting some needed rust repair, but the interior of the train will retain its Japanese style for the sightseeing trips. The Pattaya News brings us another in the continuing series of people who fail to see a giant train coming when they try to cross the tracks. This crash was in Chonburi. The driver was killed and 3 passengers were seriously injured. And finally, loyal viewer Derek Clark pointed out that Google Street Maps has been updated as of August and now shows the latest details on the road passing alongside the train station. If you click on the link in the description, you can pan and zoom around to check out the construction as seen by the roving Google Maps cars. Now, let's get flying. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to feed the algorithm and do all the YouTube things. Take care and see you next time.